Nasdaq100 breaks record prices or all-time high. What's next for Nasdaq100 and how to make profit out of it? Hey guys, I'm Stephen. I'm a trend forward. Today I'll be discussing what's been happening on the stock indices on the US Nasdaq100. And as you guys could see, that prices has already been breaking out the high and February to 22,240, and right now prices is hovering around 22,640. And what happened is we started to see that since the Liberation Day, prices has already been trying to recover, building up a very good chart pattern and a good consolidations of cup and handle formations, and the long-term price target for the US 100 is likely to hit 28,000 in the future, but it's still going to take time, and let us focus on the short term. So if you guys are watching closely, that right at around 19th of June towards 24th of June, we started to see that there's a double bottom formations happening there, and we started to see a very good possibility that prices could be hitting its record prices at 22,200, and it immediately hit it just by one day. And afterwards we started to see that the optimism has been coming out, where US and China has already been signing a deal of the trade deals. That has been one of the biggest problems from the trade war, and right now a lot of nations are trying to negotiate the final deal with US, as the deadline is looming at 9th of July, and they are seemingly to get what US President Donald Trump wants and understand what is his demands. And as a result, we started to see that the positivity has been coming out, especially with the biggest nations has already been dealing it with UK, and China has been signing a deal. It is expected for us to see other nations will be completing a deal with US, and that has already been reflected towards the US 100. So definitely, how are we going to deal and make money with this trade is definitely going to be long. Price target possibility the closest at around 23,810, as we have been seeing this for a long time, and definitely it's going to be a long trade, and definitely not thinking about doing shorts. So if you guys are interested to know how you guys could make money out of this, you guys are welcome to join my live streaming sessions on YouTube and TikTok, 6:30 to 8 p.m. Singapore, Hong Kong time. See you guys there.